custom XPath today. So custom XPath, so different elements over here. So let's talk about cargo. So this one has a class. Okay, there's some elements which do not have a class or ID or something. Okay, so how do we handle them? So here we have the div method, right? So if it is a link, then we can use link text. But how do we handle normal element which does not have one class? So we have a bit of custom XPaths. So for example, you're going to ebay.com and you're trying to hit this particular API. Okay, let's just run this and show you. So we can see that this one is here and it opened it, and I want to click on this one element. Okay, inspect. So when I click on this element, I have style, everything. Okay, and I have class also. So what I've done is I've added this class. Okay, I've created this methods using contains. Otherwise I would have made using class. Sorry, class import, and then here I can add something like class is equal to, but this is something different. This is div. So how we make it is so any input element, and then we add in usually what we would have done is id equal to something. Okay, if it id was there, but now since id is not there, in this way what we'll do, we'll use contains. It's a function. Okay, contains, in this square bracket also, in this you can add id and then comma and then whatever the value you want to add. So this is pretty efficient. Okay, efficient also because it doesn't have to search too many. So this one I used it, and then if we click on read now, where do we land? We land on this arrow page or something. Yeah, this is the savage page. Okay, this will come. So let's see, let's run it and see if the error page came. So I will not click it, and you can see that error page is there. Okay, and then now the error page is there. Now what do we do next? So the thing is, customer, how do we make it? So div, for example, this can be input also. So contains, and then we add in class. Okay, and then whatever element, this can be id also. This is class, this can be id also, and then comma, and then whatever the value you want to do. If it is id, it's like this. Okay, something related to it. Okay, then there is a start with method also. So for example, if there is a custom XPath is changing like this. Okay, for the element is changing like this, the initial value is same but the last value is changing. So what you do is input and then starts with, just starts with, don't put any at the rate or something over here. Okay, you just put starts with, and then, so if you're putting in a method, right, don't put any at the rate. At the rates can be put inside. Okay, that too when you're not mentioning any method. Okay, id and then test. Okay, ends with, and here see, if it is ending with test, for example id or something attribute is changing every time. So how do you change? So how do you change your XPath? It's with, ends with, and then inside this, there's another function called this. What do we call? This is called contains. Okay, using contains you can also do like this, like input, and then you can add. In case of text, okay, you can do. Otherwise also you can do, but in case, particularly in the case of links, starting with okay, contains, then we add a method, and then what do we do? Here what we do is at the rate. We have text. So since here this is a method, we won't add anything, like we won't add at the rate. Okay, I think I added two brackets, text and then comma, and whatever text you want to add. Okay, if it contains whatever text. So here if the element is this, okay, and to click on this, then I'll add this text to it. This you can do the same, you can make it starts with, ends with, all that things. Okay, now what if you want to send it is an interview question and you are asked, like, find the number of links in this particular page. Okay, eBay.com, find the number of links. How will you find? So one way is to check all the links over here. So how do you check the links? So when you check the links, what you do is you can literally check what's a link by going to each and every element. So one thing is they can ask you for get link. So here this is not a link, but let's see if this is a link. Yeah, this is a link. See, it starts with it. Right? If I want to check out all the links, so how do I do it? This is the most common interview question. So this is we go by FindElements. Okay, driver.FindElements. You can always find FindElement and FindElements method when you click on driver dot. So here we are inputting by tag name. Okay, and then since this returns a list, so we add it to a list. So links, this is a links list. Okay, this is a linked list. This is not linked list, this is a links list. Okay, so when you check this and system use size, you print in this. How do you check the size of any array list? Dot size method. Okay, and then you put in the for loop. Here in the for loop, linked list dot get index, whatever index you want to get, first to last. Okay, now if the links get added into the web page, then everything will get printed. So that's why we are putting it in size. If in case it increase also, it's fine with us. And then dot get text, so this will leave us, and then we're printing it out. So when I run this, we have all the elements, number of elements, and also how many. It is also printing out everything basically. So we can also talk about, see, it got printed, everything got printed. So in this we can see that so why do we use custom XPath here? Custom XPath is very efficient. Okay, we don't use absolute XPath. It is only 1.1% chance where we have to use custom absolute XPath. It's not at all recommended. Okay, absolute XPath. This is something like dev 1. Okay, and then slash input. Okay, and then slash, and there's a long list. So any element, if it takes everything from the root. Okay, we don't want that. So custom XPath is very efficient, it is very reliable, and so it is very reliable and it is very fast also. Okay, it doesn't change very often. Okay, that's the disadvantages of absolute XPath, which is not reliable, it is slow, and it can change. Okay, with changes in adjustment of that. Okay, so we discussed about this, and then you can here they can ask you how many input fields are there. So in input, it would give you all the input fields. Okay, let's see. Okay, there are only 5 input fields. Got it? So this is how we do it. Okay, so that's it for this video.